Use a lint roller to clean pet hair off furniture and clothing. Yes, using a lint roller is a great way to quickly and easily remove pet hair from furniture and clothing. Lint rollers have a sticky surface that will pick up pet hair, as well as other types of lint and debris. To use a lint roller, simply roll it back and forth over the surface or clothing that has pet hair on it. The pet hair will adhere to the sticky surface of the roller and can be easily removed and discarded. You can also use double-sided tape or masking tape to remove pet hair from furniture and clothing. Simply press the tape against the surface and then pull it off. The pet hair will stick to the tape and can be discarded. Additionally, for larger areas or surfaces, using a rubber glove or a damp cloth to wipe down the area will also help you to remove pet hair. The gloves work by creating static electricity, which attracts the pet hair. Keep in mind that frequent vacuuming and grooming of your pets can also help to reduce the amount of pet hair on your furniture and clothing. If you want to see more of our videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay in the loop.